Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And guys, check this out. So basically today we are currently 6 points down for today. We were up by more than 40% because we made this nice little rally back up to the upside. However, if we go onto the 4-hourly chart, it looks like as we had made this lovely move back up to the top from our last video, for what we said that if we do come back down into this area here or anywhere close, it'd be worth floating up so we can see a nice move to the upside. And in fact, had you gone in anywhere close to this area over here, then you would have been up by nearly 111% or plus to the upside. Hopefully you are taking some profit, because it looks like that we had at least came back into this area over here. Just going to quickly bring out the rectangle box. That would have been perfect area anywhere here to take profit, with the possible of making our move back down to the downside. Otherwise you can reload up to go much higher up. How high up, guys? Guess what? You're gonna have to watch the rest of the video to find out. So let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome back to BCOQ INU, and yes, we are currently down for the day. However, it looks like this is a stronger confluence that we went up. We're on the verge to come back down to retest here for the second time. So we went up, came back down as the first time. We've gone up, coming back down, almost creating like a W pattern. Now, W pattern is in fact a very bullish move to the upside. Something like this we should be expecting. So I'll be looking for loading up a lot more in this area over here to give us a stronger confluence back to the upside. Now, once this does happen, I'm going to be adding quite a large amount of money actually on or within the region of this area here, because that will give me a stronger confluence of a retest back up to our last all-time high. That'll be at 247% move to the upside. As we have gone through in my last video, had you been following my channel in general, I have always said that if we go by the Fibonacci retracement tool from the highest to the low, somewhat around about here, let's bring out the measuring tool from close to our current price, and if you scroll all the way to the very highest of that Fibonacci retracement tool, that will give us approximately 872% move to the upside. But it wouldn't be completely out of the realm if we do go much higher, and in fact I believe that we can quite easily, maybe even in this bull season, go up to 0.00003, not even a half a cent. And if we do that, not even a half a cent, that means we'll be much higher than here. Let's say even if we go at 0.0002, anything around about here, that would give us 141,000% move to the upside. But if we did get up to 0.003, that will give us at least somewhat in the region of 204, maybe even 212% move to the upside. And that's how you make your millions, guys. All you gotta do is put $500 on a 200,000% move to the upside to like 0.0003, and that's how you make mega bucks. We don't have to reach that kind of area to make quite impressive gains to the upside. The most important thing is, once we do see like a huge gains, what do? We tend to take out at least the majority of the profit, leave your initial investment, see how much higher can we go from there. And that is the best strategy in general. And remember guys, this is not financial advice or shilling. I do believe BCOQ INU and BCOQ INU can do some major moves to the upside. It's a question of Are you willing to hold that long? And just remember, this coin, since its inception, we've been going sideways for the very longest. So that means, like most coins, we are going to see a higher high. You're just going to be patient. Question is, are you patient? And if you are, guys, you will reap the rewards. And most importantly, how much have you put down for your deposit or your initial trading funds? That can also determine how much could you possibly be earning during this bull season. Either way, guys, do me a favor, if you haven't yet already, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and that way you'll be updated with all my latest content. So currently we're down by 8%, but I reckon, 6.39% to the downside. We could go down a bit further. I'll load up anywhere around about this zone here. Let me zoom in quickly. Yeah, so it looks like we've gone up, we're on the verge to come back down here. We try to pump to the upside, but we get rejected from this area, so it is more than likely we'll be heading away back down to maybe a further, here we are, maybe like a further 33, maybe even 56 or 50% move to the downside. Guys, that'd be the best time to actually load up from here. Either way, if we do wick here, I'll add more to your bags before we go up. And once again, this is not financial advice. This is something which I've been doing since day one from the crypto space for the past 4 and a bit years now, and I'm continuing to do so. And hodling sometimes can be the best strategy in order for you to be able to make that mega gains. It's all about DCA UA in to make massive gains for the future. You got to look at the best fundamental and fundamental cryptocurrency coins that hasn't been around in the last bull market in order for us to see humongous gains. So I'll leave it as that. Hope you all do enjoy my channel. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel right over here. And if you'd like to see my last video of BCOQ INU and BCOQ INU, click over here and I'll see you all in the next one.